Are you looking for a Mother's Day present? In this video, I will show you the best Mother's Day presents in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the iRobot Roomba 770 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. The Roomba 770 vacuum cleaning robot provides a concentrated clean, all at the push of a button. The 3-stage cleaning system with Dirt Detect Series 2 identifies dirtier areas in your home and focuses cleaning, ensuring Roomba tackles even fine pet hair, dust and dirt. Just press clean or schedule Roomba to run up to 7x per week. Roomba works on all floor types, and at just 3.6 inch tall, is specifically designed to fit under most furniture, beds and kickboards. The fourth product on the list is the Mom and Children Personalized Mother's Day Gift Sign. Is your mom not a big fan of tech? Go with this traditional gift. This is a customizable wood block mount that spells mom on it and allows you to put the names of all your family members on it. Let's say you have a family of 4, you can put all names on this gift to make it a great personal item. The third product on the list is the 3D Crystal Photo 3D Crystal Picture Engraved Heart. Create memory of your loved ones alive by displaying our beautiful 3D crystal photos in any room of your home or office. Matching all decor styles, these premium quality crystal heart photos are hand-cut by our highly skilled artists, paying attention to every fine detail. The personalized 3D crystal photo hearts makes a thoughtful, stylish gift choice for loved ones as Valentine's, birthday, anniversary, Thanksgiving and Christmas to remember a special event or day. This crystal heart photo is also a loving gift choice for memorial gifts, to remember loved ones past. Each 3D crystal is completely customized with your own laser-etched picture and personalized engraving. A fantastic tribute to anyone you hold dear or even your pets. We will convert your image into 3D, size it, and position your 3D model and engraving to create your crystal masterpiece. This is the perfect gift as you really can't go wrong with this. Any mom will love this. The second product on the list is the 14K Gold Heart Pendant Necklace. The fineness of a precious metal object represents the weight of fine metal therein, in proportion to the total weight, which includes alloying base metals and any impurities. Alloy metals are added to increase hardness and durability of jewelry, alter colors. If your mom likes jewelry, this is a great gift. Every piece of system jewelry will have a beautiful story. It may be about the person who gave the gift, or maybe about the girl who is wearing jewelry. We look forward to the starting of such a story. The first product on the list is the Ember Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Does your mom enjoy music? This will be the perfect gift for her. Ember is a compact portable speaker with the loud and vibrant sound only Marshall can deliver. Ember utilizes true stereophonic, a unique form of multi-directional sound from Marshall. Experience absolute 360 degrees sound where every spot is a sweet spot. With 20+ hours of playtime, you can enjoy the superior sound of Marshall for hours on end. With its silicone exterior and solid metal grille, it boasts an extremely durable and easy-to-use design. Its IPX7 water resistance rating means you can submerge Ember in 1 m of water for a period of up to 30 minutes. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.